Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to remove 2017 Ram 2500 front bumper full guide. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery. Gather a 10 mm, 13 mm, and 15 mm socket, trim tool, and jack stands. Wear safety glasses and gloves, and keep fasteners organized in labeled containers so locate and remove the visible upper bolts along the grille using a 10 mm socket while supporting the bumper with one hand. Next, crawl under the truck to remove lower valance screws and splash shield clips with a trim tool. Finally, turn the wheel and take out inner wheel well bolts so the bumper sides are free to move without resistance during the next steps. Before pulling the bumper off, reach behind and unplug fog light connectors and any parking sensor cables, pressing release tabs gently. Unclip wiring from plastic retainers along the bumper shell to avoid stretching or breaking wires. With one person supporting the bumper weight, remove the remaining bolts and slide the bumper straight off the mounts to prevent scratching the painted surfaces.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.